Meaning of dilapidated.
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 Dilapidated. Dilapidated is an adjective that describes something that is in a state of disrepair or decay, often due to neglect or age. A dilapidated building, for example, might have broken windows, crumbling walls, and a sagging roof. Inside, the floors may be warped, the electrical wiring frayed, and the plumbing leaky. The overall effect is one of abandonment and neglect, and the structure may pose safety hazards. Dilapidation can also refer to any object or system that is outdated, obsolete, or no longer functional, such as a dilapidated bridge or a dilapidated computer.